We've all been there, locked in a cycle of bed rotting, scrolling through TikTok to drown out the voice in our heads that's screaming for more. We spend hours daydreaming about the life we want, the clothes we'd wear, and the success we'd have, but we never move. We stay paralyzed because we're waiting for a sign or a perfect starting line. But here's the cold truth. Those thoughts of wanting more, they aren't going away. They're a constant reminder that you're living beneath your potential. It's time to stop escaping your life and start engineering a comeback that no one sees coming. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5-step blueprint to reinventing yourself from the ground up. Let's get to work. Welcome to Veda's Corner. Step 1. The power of ghosting the world. The biggest mistake people make when they decide to change is announcing it. They post the day one gym selfie, they tell all their friends about their new business idea, and they seek validation before they've even done the work. If you want a comeback that actually carries weight, you need to disappear. Go dark. Rebuild in total privacy. Why? Because when you tell people your plans, you get a fake hit of dopamine that makes your brain think you've already achieved the goal. Plus, let's be real, not everyone wants to see you level up. Insecure people will try to project their fears onto you. Don't give them the chance to sabotage your momentum. Don't brag about the process. Let the results be the first time they hear from you. Step 2. The Identity Audit. The Rebrand. If you're feeling disconnected from your life, it's because you're still carrying the baggage of an old version of yourself. It's time for a total rebrand. You need to clear the physical and digital clutter that tethers you to your tired era. Start by purging the clothes that make you feel invisible, the expired makeup, the ugly screenshots, and the toxic message threads you keep rereading. Then go to Pinterest. Build a vision board that isn't just pretty, but strategic. What does the woman you want to become actually look like? Think of Anne Hathaway. Look at her range. From the messy Andy Sachs in The Devil Wears Prada to the regal White Queen or the sharp Selena Kyle. She's the same woman, but her energy, her posture, and her vibe change completely depending on the role. Your life is the same. Your identity isn't a permanent tattoo. It's a character you build through your choices. You can literally choose to step out of the lost character and into the main character starting today. Step 3. Define your new standard. Now that the trash is gone, you need a compass. You can't reach a destination if you haven't put the coordinates into the GPS. If you don't set a standard, you'll naturally drift back to your old comforts. Ask yourself, what are the non-negotiables for this new era? Do you want to be financially independent, a master of social intelligence, physically elite? Don't hold back. Write down the traits of the woman you're becoming. Once the vision is crystal clear, your brain starts looking for ways to make it happen. You aren't just trying to change. You're stepping into a new standard of living. Step 4. Weaponize your digital consumption. Most people say social media is the problem, but on Veda's Corner, we know that tools are only as good as the person using them. Your phone is either a slot machine that drains your time or a library that builds your empire. Instead of scrolling through mindless drama, use that same curiosity to learn things that give you an edge. Learn how to read body language, how to negotiate, or how to build a digital income stream. The trick is to work with your scrolling habit, not against it. Swap out the brain rot content for creators who actually teach you how to win. Make learning your new favorite form of entertainment. Step 5. Shatter the loop. There's a simple rule. New results require new rituals. You cannot build a high-level life using the same habits that kept you stuck in bed. Breaking the pattern is the hardest part because it requires you to be uncomfortable. It means choosing the gym over the snooze button. It means cutting off people who only knew and liked the unmotivated version of you. It means rewriting the story you tell yourself about what you're capable of. You don't need to be perfect, and you don't need to have it all figured out by tomorrow. You just need the courage to act differently than you did yesterday. Reinventing yourself is a journey, but you don't have to walk it alone. Here at Veda's Corner, we focus on the skills that actually move the needle: psychology, social confidence, and strategic self-improvement. If there is a specific part of your glow up you're struggling with, let's talk about it in the comments. I want to know what you're working on. Thank you for watching. Stay sharp, stay focused, and keep evolving. See you in the next one.